This is Bsgel, a small village hidden in the Azerbaijani mountains. Probably you are wondering what I am doing here. Well, the Silk Road runs right through this mountain oasis, and it's here that a really famous local handicraft made with this precious fiber has its origins. This charming little village was a key center of the silk weaving industry. In the past, almost every Bsgel's house practiced silk spinning. The main silk handicraft created here, Negahyi, is everywhere, and this ancient tradition is still alive. Negahyi, one of the most ancient headdresses in the world, is a symbol of beauty, respect and loyalty, and it embodies Azerbaijan's culture and traditions.
Qədimi bir kəlağaydır. Bsgelin tarixini etibar edir. 1960-cı ilin kəlağayıdır. Təbii rənglərdən hazırlanıb alma qabığı, soğan qabığı ilə rənglənmiş bir kəlağaylardır. Dünyanın heç bir yerində ikincisi yoxdur bu kəlağayının. Sənət əsəridir bunlar.
This artwork is also recognized by UNESCO as part of the world's intangible cultural heritage. Today, a dozen Negahyi masters work in Bsgel. I'm going to meet one of them. The production of Negahyi can take several days. Let's try to make one of these famous headscarves. Salam.
Salam.
Abbas Ali has been doing this for more than 45 years. His work starts once the fabric is woven with silk threads. For decoration, he uses the batik technique, which involves stamping hot wax to prevent dye from transferring to parts of the fabric. Each one of these special stencils has its own name and meaning. The most common one is the buta.
Bu çok değerlidir. Bu hem bu insanın elinin rəmzidir və şey göstərir. Burada bu puta. Hem de bu putaların şahısı ayrı.
It may seem like an easy job, but it requires a certain amount of skill and knowledge.
Bu işte rəssamlıq da biraz lazımdır. Bir də həndəsə riyaziyyat lazımdır ki, həndəsə ilə riyaziyyatla istifadə edəsəm. Bir də kimya elmi lazımdır. Kimya olanda rənglər bir-birinə nəsə qarışır.
Now it's time to color my Negahyi. Natural dyes are used, derived from sumac, saffron, ginger, onion skin, and other herbs. Once the color is fixed, it's time to wash out the wax with hot water. Then a few minutes of drying and my masterpiece is done. I'm so proud of it, but it still needs to pass a test. Çok sağ ol.
Çok sağ olun.
So let's see if it's a real one. A real Negahyi should weigh 125 grams and pass through a ring. Yes, it's definitely a real one. Çok sağ ol. There's another stop on the Great Silk Road that we need to do, Sheki. Once the capital of the powerful Sheki Khanate, the administrative units in the South Caucasus that were active during the 19th century, this historical gem still reflects the wealth generated by the silk industry in the past. Here you can wander in the famous lofty stone caravanserai, a typical inn built to accommodate silk traders. Or you can admire the private summer residence of the Sheki Khans, designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its miniature paintings and shebeke stained glass. And if you pass through here, you really need to taste the famous Sheki halva. It's a syrupy baked baklava made with layers of rice paper, crushed nuts, and secret spices. So let's try this Sheki halva. It's so good, I can really taste the honey inside of it. I'm leaving Azerbaijan and bringing a part of it with me. And what's more, I did it myself.